I'm Jane, I work for Liberty Care Flintshire and I'm a senior care practitioner. It's a very rewarding job. You've got to have a bit of compassion about you, you've got to be a caring person. Everybody goes to work to be paid, to earn a living, pay the bills, stuff like that. It's not just like that in care. You've got to be compassionate about your job. You can't just go to work and that's it, forget it. You don't forget about things, but it's rewarding at the end of the day. Day to day, I look after clients in their own homes, make sure they're safe. I answer the phones in the office, I do the out of hours, the on-call, sort out problems, all stuff like that, help with covering when people go off sick. And just day-to-day running of Liberty Care, really. I've always wanted to look after people. I find that very rewarding, looking after people, and that's what made me want to go into looking after the elderly, really. I've always been brought up with the older generation and to respect them and stuff like that, so that's what inspired me to go and look after the elderly. I'd recommend going into care. If you've got a caring nature, if you want to look after people, if you want to help people, make people happy, make people smile, just go into care. There's loads of help out there if you've never done it before. There's loads of training. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just go out and do it.